And this has all been tracked and traced through the understanding of quantum mechanics and quantum physics, and understanding that dimensions exist. The biggest way that we made a model of this is we figured out how to create something called quasicrystals. Now, these quasicrystals are these multi-dimensional crystals. We actually created an 8th dimensional quasicrystal. We created in a laboratory using different technologies, and then from that 8th dimensional quasicrystal, it casts a shadow of itself down to a 4th dimensional quasicrystal, which then casts down a shadow which creates a sphere. So we know that the universe is most likely the shadow of a higher dimension. We're living in a light matrix, which is actually a light matrix, which is a shadow of a much higher dimension. And so we know this because they created these crystals, these quasicrystals, and when they put them at different angles, they cast shadows. Sometimes
What do these crystals look like?
They look like, have you ever seen Adinkra codes?
I think I've heard you talk about this before. No,
they look like Adinkra symbols, mathematical symbols, but in the 3rd dimensional time space. And so if you take them and pull them out into a 3rd dimensional time space, they look like these lines that are connected with these nodes like that.
This is a quasicrystal.
Yeah, it's an ordered structure, but it's not periodic. If you put 8th dimensional quasicrystal, it's a fractal. It's all about fractal. We live in a fractal holographic universe. The quasicrystal is a fundamental basis of the fractal holography that we're living in. We're fully immersed in it, so we can't detect it, but we're living in a light matrix. So what does that mean? What's here? There's only one consciousness, it seems. And it's like a radio station that's transmitting out a frequency from a higher dimension. Our avatar bodies pick up that frequency. You're 99.1, I'm 99.2, he's 99.3, but it's still coming from the same source. And so we're all coming from the same source. It's like the universe has found a way to live subjectively through multiple entities, but not even through entities, even through objects that we consider to be man-made, because every atom we know now in quantum physics is also conscious.